Welcome back. So something you have to know about these functions is they always need to end up returning some kind of promise when they're done. That's kind of the main rule with these triggers we have right here, is that when we're done we need to say new promise and we need to return that promise right here. So let's just return that for now just to show you guys. So in the end, when everything is done, we need to return a new promise. Now the reason that this guy is failing right now is it needs an argument, and that's pretty much just if we want to kind of resolve this. So we have two arguments normally like this. We can either resolve a promise or reject a promise. You've seen this a lot similar in observables, but it pretty much just means that we have these two things now that we can call, saying that if everything went well, we'll resolve it like this, and we'll just say, in this case, happy days, like this. That was a good one. And then we can actually also go and say reject if we wanted to down here, and that will pretty much be the error. So here we'll say error happened or something like that. So that's kind of the two methods that you have available whenever you create a promise, and we are going to use those either to say that congratulations, you saved some metadata, or actually return that metadata, or we're going to say, oh my god, something went horribly wrong while we tried to create the metadata. So that's kind of the steps you have right here. You always need to return a promise. So that's why I kind of wrap everything inside a new promise, and when I'm done, I'm just going to resolve or reject the response depending on how the event actually happened inside this setup right here. So that was just very simple, very short video, but just to give you guys an idea, always start out with returning a promise. It's just easy now to kind of do my work inside this promise. There are other ways, but that's kind of how I always start my methods right here. See you next time, have fun.